let's go find you a car.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
All right, Graham, grab your McLaren, say thanks to Norm. Let's get
Thanks,
out
Norm.
of here.
Thank you.
All right, Norm, you want to give him the keys and we'll be out of here? Oh. What up, guys? Welcome back to my vlog. Today is video one of probably a couple, and we are off to the Royal Rally. Now, there's a lot of you that are probably wondering, what is a rally? I hear that term, and I don't know what it is. I myself am not super familiar. I've only been on two. The rally consists of, it's not based on speed, it's based on points, and it's essentially a scavenger hunt. And you guys will see that as the vlog goes on. So we have multiple stops throughout Western Canada, and it's gonna be awesome. I wanna give a shout out to Matt, who owns the Royal Rally and invited me on this, because without him, I would not be here. So, we're still in Saskatoon. I gotta pick up my buddy Graham, and then we make our way to Calgary, where we spend the night, because tomorrow, it's an 8 a.m. start. And for me to leave Saskatoon and get there for 8 a.m., I would have to leave at midnight. So that's not gonna work. Let's roll. G, first stop of the trip, fuel stop. And 227, is that a gallon or how does that work?
Yeah, I think so.
That's not bad.
I don't think it is.
No.
Unfortunately.
Hey, Graham,
Yeah.
did you get candy?
Yep.
You got your fuel? Did you get a Red Bull?
Two.
Oh, two.
Two.
Ah, wasn't the worst, I guess, from half. On the road. Yo, you see what's going on here?
I see it.
We're gonna get our asses handed to us.
Think so?
Oh, that thing, I don't think will smoke us. For sure, will.
Does he have the balls though?
He doesn't have the balls. Not in Rosetown, this is where you get pulled over all the time.
This is where you get pulled over.
Yeah, that's where everybody gets pulled over. What do you think? Quick bathroom break?
Quick bathroom break.
It's been a quick 40 minutes.
Yeah.
all right.
Since the last one.
Yeah. All right, G, you all peed up?
All beat up.
All beat up?
Good to go.
Hey, you got any candy over there? Or?
Yeah, I got some candy here.
Oh, yeah, candy.
I got lots of candy.
That's what I'm talking about.
And Red Bulls?
Yeah, where are we right now?
We are in Oyen, I believe.
Yeah, we're Oyen. So like halfway?
About halfway.
Halfway, yeah?
Yeah,
Nice.
about halfway.
Nice, cool. Well,
Yeah.
Let's make a mile.
Let's make a mile.
A&W hit the spot though.
Yeah, we could do A&W. Oh, A&W. Let's
No,
go
maybe Swiss Chalet.
lunchtime.
Swiss Chalet?
Swiss Chalet.
All right, Swiss Chalet.
Swiss
Let's do that.
Chalet.
All right.
Let's wait. Let's wait.
Let's do it. Graham, trivia time.
What's up?
We're in Hannah.
Yes.
Who's from Hannah?
I have no idea.
You have no idea who's from Hannah?
No.
Nickelback's from Hannah.
Why would I know that?
I don't know.
Why do you know
There's a
that?
sign back there said home of Nickelback.
Oh, I missed it.
Hey, yo, you know where we are?
We're in Drumheller.
Did you know that's how big a Tyrannosaurus Rex was in real life?
No.
Yeah, they were that big. Imagine a bunch of those just running around all over the place,
That's big.
like in real life. You had to think I'm serious?
That looks like Leah when you bought the Lambo.
You know that's not how big they were though, right?
I don't know.
Do you know how big a T-Rex really was?
I never saw a T-Rex.
Oh, 6 feet tall.
6 feet?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I doubt that.
No, or maybe 10 feet?
Jurassic Park says different.
Yeah, well, it's full of shit. Hey, Graham.
Yeah.
Just want you to know that I looked it up, and the T-Rex was in fact 12 feet tall and 40 feet long.
So not that big.
How tall do you think that is? 40 feet?
At least.
It is the world's largest dinosaur. That's kind of cool. We're going to now.
Calgary.
How far is that?
An hour.
An hour?
Roughly.
Roughly an hour.
45 minutes.
I'll do it in 30.
Depends how fast we drive.
Okay, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Hey, G,
Yo.
we're here.
We're here.
Hey, my Lamborghini was sitting right there when the windshield got smashed.
But we didn't get arrested.
Nobody got arrested. No.
Nobody got arrested. No
But-
tickets.
No, it was good. It was successful overall.
I think so.
But,
I think
let's
so.
unload our shit and then get some Swiss Chalet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What do you think, G? Not bad
How'd you
for
go?
one night.
Not bad for one night.
One night. We're off to Cranbrook tomorrow, eh? Yeah. But what do you think? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Swiss Chalet?
Swiss Chalet.
Let's do it. excited?
I'm excited.
It's good lunch. It's good lunch. Best restaurant in town right there, if anybody's wondering.
No, they have breakfast?
I don't know, but was that good or what?
That was good.
Is Swiss Chalet ever bad though?
No.
No, that was so good. I loved it. All right, let's roll. Let's go find you a car.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go find you a car. How about this?
Do they have R8?
This is nice. Oh, they might have an R8, but we'll see.
They might have an R8?
Might. Let's go see. Graham, I found you a car.
No.
It says special and you're special. It's ready for you. Will Smith personally drove this car.
Mine needs to have 4 rings.
4 rings.
4 rings.
He wants an R8.
All right, we're sold out of R8s, but we have an RS5.
You sold out everything.
Yeah.
Oh, there was a Beetle. There's a Beetle over there.
RS5 does have 4 rings.
Beetle is you.
No.
You need a Beetle.
No.
You don't want to drive
Just
like
saying you wanted a bug?
I do want a bug.
Right?
They're like 60s.
Right there.
Hey, I see you looking.
That's kind of
Take your visa out. Let's
It's
go.
already sold though.
No, it's not sold yet. We'll sell it to you. We'll sell it to you.
sold.
Just take your visa out. Let's go.
It is sold.
Norm, come on, man.
Surprise, Meg.
Yeah. Just tell her you bought it for her. That's what I do with Leah all the time. Oh, man.
That's juice.
What's done to this?
This is more cosmetically modified than anything. It's just got a matte black wrap and some aftermarket infotainment system.
Okay.
That's about it.
Nice. This is beautiful.
Yes, the Movine Blue, that's actually purple, Mclaren 570S.
Do you follow Samantha on Instagram? So she's from Calgary. She moved to Vegas. She has a 720 she wrapped like this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Ms. Samantha or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
I
Spider
actually saw
720.
her Instagram yesterday, like randomly.
Yeah.
Never seen her before, but yeah. Really cool car.
Yeah, no, so she has a similar one. All right, Graham, grab your McLaren. Say thanks to Norm. Let's get
Thanks,
out of
Norm.
here.
Thank you.
All right, Norm, you want to give him the keys and we'll be out of here?
Let's see. Can you catch?
Yep.
Oh,
Guess not.
Can't catch.
that was the worst catch ever.
We'll send him a bill for that
Yeah,
key
right,
too.
yeah. All right, well, G.
Well,
Mater,
Mater. Safe and sound.
safe and sound. This is essentially what our cars are going to look like with the Texels. Hey, you know the TikTok? This is a work of art.
Yes.
Insert.
This is a work of art.
This is beautiful. Look at those wheels. Oh, he's got new nittos on the back. He means business. It's not about speed, Graham. It's about points. Remember that.
About points, right?
Not speed.
Right. If you ain't first, you're last.
Right. Hey, we're number 19. Look at. We're team 19.
Steve.
What?
Everybody's team 19.
What? Oh man, I was legit excited. So we don't have a number then?
We don't have a number.
Oh, I wanted to be 19.
You know what? We do have a number.
What is it?
Number 1.
Ah, because we're not going to be first. We're going to be last.
If you're not first, you're last.
That's it, G. What do you think?
Good to go.
Looks good to me. Let's head back to the hotel. What do you think? Yeah. All right.
Take a video of the car
Leave it here for the night.
so we can confirm damage. If
Yeah.
damage.
I did have a bad experience once with something happening. It's another video. Ready for a rally tomorrow?
I am.
I'm gonna take your virginity tomorrow. Your
Please?
rally virginity.
Promise?
Promise.
Promise?
Yeah, promise. Hey G, downtown Calgary looks pretty dead right now.
And it rained.
And it rained.
And it rained.
Should be wet in the rally.
It will be wet.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Well, it should be wake up Goulet and tell him to get his ass down here.
You think Goulet even slept?
No.
No.
I think he stayed awake partying all night.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll message him. Hey.
Hello.
Are you excited for some coffee this morning?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And you stayed out of the alcohol last night.
Yeah, I'm here for the caramel macchiatos at this point.
Yeah, caramel macchiato, yeah. Hey, what do you think about a stock C8 compared to the Widebody?
Hard no.
Hard no?
You
can't go. That's so nice.
Does it sound bad? I'm pretentious, but I didn't even want to drive a stock C8 compared to a wide body one.
I mean, well, look at it.
Yeah.
Why would you want to drive a stock one?
Yeah. Well, I mean, why? Right.
That's so nice.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Ryan. Let's go get some coffee.
Absolutely. This place
Well,
is good.
thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh, well, thank you, sir.
Yep.
So this isn't even a big Weston. You should see the one in Toronto. Actually, the one in Vancouver is bigger too.
This layout's ridiculous, though.
Yeah,
Isn't
it's
it
pretty
different?
crazy.
Like, it took me 20 minutes to find my room.
So it sounds bad, but I only stay in Westons and Sheraton's. That's all I stay in.
Why is that?
Because I'm a pretentious, high-maintenance bitch.
If there's not a Starbucks in the basement, you're not staying
Yeah.
there.
Or I'll show you where my car was when the windshield got broken. You can get a full feel for it. Push it, not pull it.
At least we're number 19 on the rally. Yeah, at least we're number 19 on the rally.
Mine's number 19 too.
Yeah.
I'm number 19.
How's your hair doing today?
It's not good.
It's not good.
That's why my head's up.
I love it. Gee,
Yo,
we made it.
we made it.
Let's go check out what kind of cars are out here.
It's raining.
It's pouring. Let's go do this. Well, G, we made it. Let's get this show on the road. What's this?
You're too late.
What's too late?
You're too late. We're too late. Rally's
Too late.
over.
No, we're good. We got this.
Are we good?
Yeah, we got Keto and Courtney here. We're gonna be good. It's gonna be fine.
It'll be fine. This is fine.
It's fine. Yeah.
This is fine.
In front of you, we don't want the rocks.
Keno's never steered me wrong, so he knows.
I'm navigating, so this might not be your best.
You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine.
You ever had a woman navigate anything?
My wife navigates. She does a great job.